So in this Vrbo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit search filters here on Vrbo. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Vrbo application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom left here and press on the home icon. Now once you're here, simply just go to where it says going to dates, travelers right here. Search up what you want. So if you're looking for a specific city, you can go to cities right here. And how about we just type in Toronto? Just like that. For the dates, we'll just keep it November 1st to November 4th. And then for travelers, we'll go with 4. And then we'll just press on search to find some listings here. Now, once that is actually done, and if you want to edit the search filters here, simply just where it says at the top, it says Toronto and vicinity. Right below that, there is sort of an icon. There's popular, price, rooms, and spaces. I want you to press on the icon on the left right here, which is the search filters, just like this. So this is the filters tab. And now you can change the filters tab whatever way you want. So if you want to allow pets, if you want it to be a condo or an apartment, if you want the price to be a little bit lower or a little bit higher, you can, bedrooms higher or lower, whatever the case may be, you can sort of edit the search filters here and play around with it. So once it's done, you can go to the bottom right, press on done, and then there you go. The search filters will be whatever you did, in regards to the filters tab. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple, but this is how to edit search filters here on Vrbo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.